Let's divide 376 by 2. Hey super math stars, if you're having fun learning with me, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Ready to dive into division? We'll bring down the 3 from 376. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 leaves us with 1. Awesome, you're doing great. Now let's bring down the next digit. Look at this new number, we have 17. We bring down the 7 to join the remainder 1, making 17. How many times does 2 go into 17? Think of your 2 times tables, it's 8 times. 8 times 2 is 16. 17 take away 16 leaves us with 1. You're on fire, keep up the amazing work. Just one more digit to go. Last step, we have 16. We bring down the 6 to join the remainder 1, making 16. How many times does 2 fit into 16? You got this, it's 8 times. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 minus 16 equals 0, no remainder. Woohoo, you solved it, high five. We've reached the end of our division adventure. So 376 divided by 2 equals 188. Great job, everyone. We broke down 376 into smaller parts and divided each one like a champ. Remember, long division is just a way to share numbers fairly, and you're all becoming sharing superstars. That's all for today. Keep practicing and don't forget to check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time, Math Explorers.